My teacher in high school was doing that test for us. Like, however old you are, this is what you should be hearing, like this tone.
Yeah.
This girl, we got up to like 50, 60, couldn't hear the tones. So, and she's a big raver, big partier, like all that. And he goes, if you want to hear your kids crying when you're older, you should really stop doing what you're doing. And then she cried and ran out of the class.
That's a crazy thing to say.
I mean, that's funny as shit, though.
I would have been like, don't want to hear them cry.
That's why I don't want to be. I couldn't be a teacher because that's the shit that I would say. Is be like, if you want to not be a fucking idiot, you know.
That's so.
There are those videos where it's just like I remember from in like the when I was like 22, it was just like people over 30 can't hear this pitch, and I was like, oh,
Yeah.
I can hear it.
I always think of Home Alone 3, which I don't remember that movie at all, but I do remember him having a dog
Boy,
whistle.
that movie sucks.
Trash. But I do remember him having a dog whistle.
Yeah.
And, like, only the dogs can hear it or something.